Okay, nah, it worked. And the first thing I'm standing in is ankle-deep black mud. Lovely. Hi everyone, welcome to 1536.
Look at this soil. That's not soil, that's everything the city throws out. And nope, that's a rat. We're keeping our shoes on.
Definitely.
The plan. Find my room, see how people really live, eat what they eat way, and tonight, somehow, dinner with the king himself.
Okay, no, what is that? Oh my god, are those intestines? Why are they showing me this? I just wanted food,
Stop that beast! Stop her!
Okay, why is that is a runaway goat. First near death of the trip, and it's not even noon. I love it here already.
Home for the night crane, the 3 cranes. Hundreds of inns like this by the 1530s. Food, beds, and a serious amount of gossip. Whatever everyone's whispering about in here, this is the actual news of Tudor London calls. The original room chat. A room, please. Mia.
Top of the stair, mind your head, and no candles to bed unless you fancy burning.
He just told me not to burn the place down.
Reassuring.
Up we go.
These stairs are tiny. I feel like a giant ow. People were built completely differently back here. My head will not survive this trip. The mattress is straw. Actual straw, the stuff horses eat. I'm gonna be finding this in my hair for a week.
That hot? Yep, bathroom. But the view, that's real Tudor life. Unfiltered, right outside my window.
Fresh herbs, sweet herbs. So it's smock, then kirtle, then a gown on top, then this cap. That's a lot of layers just to leave the house. You fit fully Tudor. It is unbelievably itchy here, but I need to blend in. Right, let's go see this city properly.
Gardy-loo! They shout one word and just empty it into the street. Day 1 and I've nearly been baptised in, let's not name it.
Finest herring in Cheapside. For you, Mrs. Me, 3 a penny and a smile thrown in.
It's the same goat. From this morning, this menace has a root.
Honestly, give it a channel, it's got more confidence than I do. That cursed goat again. Off with you!
Sweet posies, missus, keeps the plague off, they say.
She's maybe 8, barefoot in the mud, selling flowers to ward off the plague. I'll take 2. Thank you, love.
That kid's maybe 10 and this is already his whole life. No school, no childhood like ours, but he's genuinely brilliant at it.
Started at 7, this one. Best hands I've had.
No phones, no speakers, and the music's still everywhere. Hello, you. He's got a bigger audience than half my videos.
He likes ye, missus. He don't like many.
Mind, Mrs. Stone, jot from the oven.
Always wanted a proper old British pie, so here goes. No idea what's inside. Brave or stupid side, let's find out. Oh, that's earthy. And weirdly a bit sweet. Did not expect sweet. Honestly, not bad at all.
This press?
It's basically the internet of 1536.
Mind the ink, missus, it don't come out.
News, ideas, gossip, all of it spreads from machines like this one.
Some things we don't print no more. Not since the King's men came round.
And the king knows exactly how dangerous this is now. He started banning books, control the press, control what people think.
Cheapside, the main market. I was not ready for the volume. Everyone's selling, buying, or yelling all at once, all in my face, all in pace. I thought this was a festival. It's not. It's a public execution tier, and the whole crowd is treating it like a day out.
I thought this was a festival, huh? It's not. It's a public execution praying, and the whole crowd is treating it like a day out.
A great and a mighty king, yea! A great king!
He's cheering, but he doesn't believe a word. The whole system runs on fear.
Okay, I need air after that. Watch the ground, it's like an ice rink made of mud. Heading to the one thing I had to see. And up there, those are real heads. A warning to anyone who crosses the king. And everyone just walks under them, every single day. Fun fact, Faye, this is the only bridge across the whole city and stays that way for over 2 centuries. It took 33 years to build. Oars, missus? Quicken the bridge.
With one bridge, half the city takes a boat. These are the taxis of London Pan and the comedians.
And that prone, that's the Tower of London. Already nearly 500 years old right now. It's seen everything this city has to offer. I'm after the quietest tavern I can find. This one looks. Say it again, I dare ye. Yeah, no, hard no. Next. This one's calmer. The smell though, mud, sweat, and tallow candles all at once. It is a lot. But I'm starving. Al pottage pie and bread. That's the lot, missus. So the whole menu is Al pottage pie and bread. Fewer choices than my fridge. Al and pottage, please. Al pottage pie and bread. That's the lot, missus. So the whole menu is Al pottage pie and bread. Fewer choices than my fridge. Al and pottage, please.
Up, no sitting when there's music, lass!
Okay, I'm being recruited. I don't know the steps. He does not care. Here we go.
The pottage is basically a thick, herby stew with some kind of meat. No idea what herb, but it's good. I've had way worse, honestly.
No way, that's a rat. That is literally a rat. Oh my God.
They're eating it. He's actually eating it. Okay, I can't.
I really miss streetlights. But that was one of the best nights in ages. These people have so little Pam and still find a way to live. Day 1, an execution, a runaway goat, a fishmonger, and a tavern dance. Time to sleep, pal, if I can find this straw bed in the pitch dark. This is the Strand, supposedly the rich part. The road's an absolute state. And I live somewhere with terrible potholes, so I would know. Look at that dress day. Every thread of that embroidery is by hand. That's months of work. And to her, it's just a Tuesday. Everyone here moves like they own the place. I'm just trying to look like I belong and not drop my phone in front of royalty. Oh, he's coming! He's actually coming! Act normal. Do I bow? I think I bow.
You must be Mia.
Hello, Your Majesty.
They tell me you have come a great distance. From another time, even?
You could say that, Your Majesty.
Then tell me how. What manner of king does history recall me to be?
You are very well remembered, Your Majesty. Truly unforgettable. With us tonight. Dinner with the king tonight. No pressure. But first, while everyone's distracted, I need to find someone. Quickly. This is the real reason I came. The year is 1536, and the queen is in terrible danger. I have to warn her while there's still time. Your Majesty, please dare, you have to leave. Soon. It isn't safe for you here anymore. Leave? And go where exactly? The king would never betray me. I truly wish that were true. But I know how this ends by, and I couldn't just say nothing. I did what I came to do. I don't know if she'll listen, Bar. Probably not. The things I do for you lot. Right, dinner with the king. And this is dinner. There's more food on this one table than I saw in the entire city yesterday. It's almost obscene. I love it. I do not know what half of these are for. How am I sitting? What do I eat first? With what? I genuinely cannot cope. Sneaky food review. No idea what animal this is. Ugh. But it tastes like pure luxury with a hint of privilege. Wow. I do not believe I know your house, my lady. From? Where did you say? He asked which noble family I'm from. Where I'm from, we just kind of move day. There are no steps. Yeah. I just stepped on the King of England. Twice. Where I'm from, we just kind of move bay. There are no steps.
Yeah.
I just stepped on the King of England. Twice. Turns out my dancing was a good enough reason to get me kicked out of a royal palace. In fairness, I earned it. At least I kept my head.
This way, my lady. Mind the step.
So Tudor London. It's loud, it's filthy, it smells in ways I didn't know were possible. The disease alone would have finished me in a week. But under all the brutality, it's the people power. So little, and still so much joy. Is Younger you again? Of course it is. I'm heading home now, piss for a very long, very hot shower. If you want more trips like this, you know what to do. See you in the next era.